Hi guys! Today I have a fascinating topic for you. 5 top DePin projects that I think have the potential to bring a bunch of X's in 2025. You know that the bull cycle is on the way again, and the smartest among us are now preparing to maximize their exposure to trending assets. In this video, we'll take a closer look at each of these projects, talk about their unique technologies, their market prospects, and why they can make you the most money. So get ready for a deep dive into the world of DePin, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next videos featuring hot projects on their way to 1 million. As it turns out, not everyone understands what DePin is, and that's kind of a mistake. So I want to introduce you to this narrative. DePin is a new trend in cryptocurrency that combines decentralized finance with physical infrastructure. The main idea behind DePin is to use blockchain to create networks where users can decentralize the management of physical resources, such as data centers, energy networks, or telecommunications. Examples of similar non-cryptocurrency projects include Uber or Airbnb, which pool resources but are managed by centralized companies. DePin, on the other hand, has no such intermediaries, ensuring greater transparency, efficiency, and lower fees. DePin is needed to give users the ability to control and monetize infrastructure without the involvement of centralized giants. Compared to its Web 2 counterparts, DePin offers greater security, decentralization, and favorable terms for all participants because there is no centralized company taking a significant portion of the profits. A good example of such projects are Render and Bittensur, which have long demonstrated their strength in technology. Today, however, I want to focus on lesser-known projects in order to be able to invest in super early stages. Before we move on to our portfolio, I would like to make it clear that this is only my own opinion and market analysis. So I recommend that you do your own research and always evaluate all the risks associated with investing.
3, 2, 1, fire!
The first project in our selection is a dark horse that no one seems to know about, but it is incredibly powerful. Anchor is a real giant in the world of decentralized infrastructure for Web 3. They provide RPC node services that interact with more than 55 blockchains. This is one of the key elements on which blockchains and Web 3 applications are based. RPC allows developers and users to remotely interact with the blockchain by requesting information or sending transactions. In other words, through RPC, we can interact with the blockchain without having our own node. And such an insane number of blockchains supported by the project's nodes is a definite plus. In addition, Anchor already has many very high-profile cases that I can't help but mention. In fact, thanks to Anchor, we have been able to speed up the connection between developers and the Polygon blockchain by a factor of 10. For Polygon alone, about 30 trillion requests are made every month through Anarch's RPC. Such success stories can be seen for Binance, Mantle, and other well-known projects. Anchor is all about technological power. Hundreds of low-latency RPC nodes, liquid staking, and the creation of supernets to maximize performance on EVMs. Currently, the project's capitalization is $301 million, but I see huge potential for further growth, especially considering that 100% of the tokens are in circulation. In a way, I can even compare this project to Chainlink, which is one of the largest providers of Oracle services that transfer external data to the blockchain for use in smart contracts. For example, asset prices. So I think Anarch can become a major RPC node provider and at least reach Link's current capitalization marks, which is about 25x. The second token in our selection is Phala Network. It is a decentralized cloud computing platform that provides privacy and security to users. Phala uses trusted execution environment technology, which is part of the processors, to ensure privacy and data protection during computing. The project is built on the Polkadot blockchain and acts as an alternative to centralized cloud providers such as Google Cloud or Amazon Web Services. Phala allows users to join a network using their computers as nodes to perform cloud computing. This allows customers to encrypt their data, send it to other nodes for processing, and receive the results back with complete confidentiality. Phala uses 2 types of nodes, miner and gatekeeper. Miner nodes perform computations for clients, while gatekeeper nodes provide encryption and data transmission. This makes the platform attractive to smart contract developers who need privacy when executing code. In general, the project can be compared to the well-known Akash network, which took some market share away from giants like Google and Amazon. Phala Network has a similar plan, and we are witnessing the development of the project at a super early stage. At the same time, they already have a number of cases and partners, which of course gives more confidence in the project. Right now, the capitalization is only about 100 million and the potential of the project is much bigger. Personally, I see growth at least to the maximum marks of Akash network. But so far, not all the supply of tokens is in the market, which may not be good for the price, but at the same time, not a very critical amount of tokens is not in the market. The fourth token in our selection is the DePin protocol, which offers a revolutionary approach to the energy industry by creating a decentralized ecosystem for energy trading. The main goal of DePin is to reduce the carbon footprint of the energy sector and engage ordinary consumers in generating and selling their own electricity. This may sound a bit far-fetched, but it is a glimpse into the future. As cryptocurrencies become more widespread, the huge amount of energy consumed by cryptocurrencies will become an issue. So green energy that can power this huge market is a goldmine for early investors. Therefore, the project aims to change the approach to energy by giving people the opportunity to not only consume energy, but also earn money from its sale. The platform uses smart contracts to make the energy management process more transparent and automated. These contracts are automatically executed based on predefined conditions, reducing the risk of errors and operational costs. I like this project, but I will keep an eye on it and analyze the green energy market before investing to find the best entry point. After all, the project has no major competitors in crypto, and it is difficult to know how much further growth the asset will have. However, with such an idea and a market capitalization of only $90 million and 97% of supply in circulation, DePin has every chance to grow to a capitalization of 500 to 700 million, especially given the growing demand for clean energy solutions. And the last project is the well-known Akash network. The project specializes in the GPU direction, which is one of the most interesting areas at the moment, thanks to which NVIDIA has been leading the total capitalization of the project for quite a long time. And one of the richest people on the planet is now building huge GPU stations. In general, Akash is almost a direct competitor to Render Network, but with much more advanced functionality. In fact, it is a marketplace where you can rent a GPU and it is quite cheap. And the main difference is that Render is more focused on working with large companies and corporations, while Akash is more aimed at small users who do not need huge volumes. By the way, Akash has absolutely undercut all the other players in the market. Look at the rental prices of an average GPU from the top players in this market. In the last few years, prices have risen to insane levels. But if you compare it with the price of the Akash network, it is not difficult to understand that this cryptocurrency project will create unrealistic competition for the market, while for this price, you can actually get top hardware. And this can be seen in the fact that the profit for the first quarter of 2024 showed a 20% increase. We are talking about revenue from their GPU rental platform, and this is a great indicator of the authenticity of the resource. So I see the potential to reach at least the Render Network marks, and that's all I have to say. I would like to remind you that this video is in no way financial advice. This is just my vision and thoughts on the market, so always do your own research before investing and invest wisely. Please like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the growth of coins. Thanks for watching, your Coin Post.